Good morning, class. Today I am going to start a new chapter in science, that is lesson 6, rocks and minerals. In this chapter, we are going to learn about types of rocks, minerals, uses of rocks and minerals in our daily life. So, today what we will do the introduction of this chapter. Now, you all know that earth is made up of soil and rocks. Different types of soil and rocks are found on the earth, or earth is made up of different types of soil and rocks. Now the question arises, what are rocks made up of? You all have seen soil and rocks. You have seen different types of soil and rocks in your day-to-day life. But do you know what are rocks made up of? How the rocks are made? Rocks are basically made up of minerals. Minerals are natural non-living substance, or you can say chemical substance, that occur naturally on the earth. What I said, rocks are made up of minerals. So do you have any idea about what is mineral? Basically, minerals are small, you can say, building blocks of rocks or small grains of different color. You can see here in the diagram also, these are the minerals which you cannot see directly from your eyes. You need a magnifying glass to see the minerals. So, these rocks are made up of minerals which you cannot see directly from your eyes. You need a magnifying glass. I made a diagram of magnifying glass. So with the help of magnifying glass, you can see the thing in an enlarged form. So when you use magnifying glass to see a rock, you find different small type of different colors of these small grains over there, and these are called minerals. So these are the chemical substance, or you can say non-living substance, which are found naturally on the earth. Means it is from the nature. You can see here the picture of different types of rock, or you can say different shape and size of rocks. Okay, this you can see in your daily life also. So these are the picture of rocks. Minerals are the building blocks of rocks, and each rock may have one or more mineral of different color. Means in each rock it is possible that only one mineral is there, or more than one mineral found in a single rock of different colors. So these rocks are basically formed from mineral, and minerals you can see with the help of magnifying glass. Minerals are basically building blocks of rocks. With the help of these small minerals or these small grains, these minerals looks like a small grains. So with the help of these small grains, these big rocks are formed. Now we came to the topic types of rocks. There are basically 3 types of rock found on the earth. You know that Earth has 3 layers, that is crust, mantle and core. So on crust, basically 3 types of rocks are formed: igneous rock, sedimentary rock and metamorphic rock. Or you can say the rocks on the earth crust is divided into 3 main types, that is igneous rock, sedimentary rocks and metamorphic rocks. So children, this is the introduction of rocks and minerals, what we are going to study, or you can say this is the base of this chapter. On the basis of this chapter, we are going to study the further topic, or we are able to understand the further topics. Let's have a look in your book. What is given over there? So you can see our earth is made up of rocks and soil. Means earth formed हुई है with the help of rocks and soil. Rocks are made of minerals. I hope you understand what is mineral. And rocks and minerals are used for various purposes. We study what are the uses or what are the various purposes of rocks and minerals later in this chapter. Now there is one small activity given in this chapter. What is this? Let's have a look. Identify the following monument. I hope you know what these monuments are called. So you have to identify the following monument and unscramble the word in the sentence below. Okay, so it is written in a scrambled or jumbled form. The word of this name of this monument is written in a jumbled form. So you have to unscramble it. So it is written over here. So it will be Taj Mahal and it is Red Fort. Why it is called Red Fort? Because it is made up of red sandstone. So you have to write the name of the rock which is used to make these monuments. Here it is. Here the name of the rock is also given in the jumbled form. You have to correct it here. Now Taj Mahal, you all know it is made up of marble, white marble. That's why it looks white in color. So we will write over here marble, and Red Fort is made of red sandstone. So we will write red sandstone over here. Okay. Now I already explained you types of rock. There are 3 types of rock on the basis of their formation. On the earth crust, there are basically 3 types of rocks are found: igneous rock, sedimentary rock, and metamorphic rock. So student, this is enough for today. What we have studied. Now what you have to do, you have to read the chapter so that when I'll explain the topics in detail, you are able to understand the things, and you have to write these words in your copies. These are the important terminologies of this chapter. You have to write this in your copy. Like what is igneous rock, what is magma, what is lava, sedimentary rock, and minerals. So you have to write all these things in your copy. I hope the things which I have explained you today is clear to you all. If there is any problem regarding mineral or types of rock or anything, you are free to ask me. Okay, now thank you class.